Hello, this is Wanjilo US. Let us check for the DV lottery results step by step. So I want to show you how easy this is. So I'm going to use my gadget here. I have a laptop here with me and I'm on my Google page. So I'm going to type in dvprogram.state.gov. You can see it's highlighted in there, and I will click on enter, and it's going to take me to this page, electronic diversity visa program page. You can see it is from the US Department of State, Bureau of Consular Affairs. So for this, if I try to get a good picture of this, the entry period for the DV 2025 Diversity Visa Program was between October 4th, 2023 and November 7th, 2023. And the results will be out coming Saturday, May 4th. And that will be New York Eastern Time, noon, 12 p.m. Yeah, if you come from East African country, that will be equivalent to 7 p.m. on May 4th evening. So you can find out what time it will be in the country you come from. Now, when you come here, at the DV entrant status check, you will click on check on status. So when you click on that, you can see there are some instructions given here. Under the entrant status check, you're told, please be sure to have your entrance confirmation number, last or family name, and your year of birth, and check the entrant status online. No other way. You will not be sent in the email or mail by the Department of State to tell you whether you have been selected. You will come here and check yourself. So you will come here and click continue, and then it will take you to this page, the entrant or enter entrant information. So you can see the confirmation number is number 1 here. So you're going to enter the confirmation number that you have you were given when you applied. So where it always begin with the year of that DV lottery, that is 2025 in this case. That's what will be YYYY 4 times, and then you will follow up with other letters and numbers given in your confirmation number. You will enter the whole of it here. You'll click here and you'll enter. You see, like I had tried to use for the 2024 to check. So these are some examples of the confirmation number that I have used in the past. Yeah. Now, so the number 2, you will enter your last or family name, yeah, in here, and then number 3, you will enter your year of birth, And then number 4, you will need to prove that you are not a robot or somebody else trying to enter your information. That is what we call authentication. And you will enter these figures displayed here. And every time you check whether you've been selected, you will be given a different authentication characters or letters. Yeah. So you will enter the authentication characters given here. As you see here, these are capital letters for the alphabet letters used here. Yeah. So we call this kind of characters alphanumerical, whereby it's a composition of both alphabet letters and numbers. Yeah, so you'll enter M5YM8T. Of course, they will be different in each case. Every time you get a different character. By the way, you can check for your selection as many times as possible. Nothing long. So if you check the first time and you realize maybe it didn't go through, you can still check and see whether you have used your confirmation number correctly. Ensure for the confirmation number, you are able to tell letter O from 0. Yeah, letter O from 0. So in these numbers here, I don't see. So let's see. Yeah, let's see whether we can be able to tell the difference. You see here, there is this O here, and there is this O, you know, like this one should be 0. It's a little bit slender. Do you see that? Yeah, it's different from this O. Do you see the difference? Yeah, so make sure that in case you put in your confirmation number and you get stuck, like it's not going through, because if you put the long confirmation number, it may not go through. So you will require to check whether you have put 0 where it's supposed to be and O where it's supposed to be. So I hope that one is clear so far. So after that, you will come and click submit, and you will be able to, you know, to see, you'll be able to get a page. Of course, I don't have information here to move on, but you'll be able to tell whether you have been selected or not. You'll get a page telling you, you know, congratulations, you have been, you know, selected, or sorry, this time you've not been selected. Okay, bye for now. This is Wanjilo US. Like, follow, share, and meet in the next video.